So, where do you want to start off at?
Just a couple tips for consuming extracts and concentrates responsibly from the experience that you've had.
So honestly, I would say first thing, and this is like really, really important. You guys want to essentially use if anything, I would say use a electronic rig. To define the difference between a regular rig and an electronic rig, one or both actually use heat to evaporate, if you will, or should I say vaporize the concentrate so that you can breathe it in, right? Now, if you're using just your regular rig, then you have to use a torch and sometimes a temp timer and all of that, and that's daunting for a lot of people. For some households, I won't go into details, but seeing a torch in glass can be triggering for some households. So if you want to start off, there are other electronic rigs that are under like about $100 and between $100 to $150. And I'll just drop a couple of names. The Luca Dragon Egg, for example, is between $70 to $100. The Dr. Dabber XS, that is between $170 to $135, depending on where you can get it from. And then you also have another device it's not a electronic rig per se, but it is a portable analog rig that I feel is also a good start for people. This is a cold start rig, and that is by Stash, and it's the Rio, the rig in one. So if anyone looks that up, it looks like a little choo-choo train. It has a torch attached to it, but within that level of accessibility, I would say you got a Luca Dragon Egg, easy peasy. You only need some Q-tips. The Dr. Dabber XS, which you need a little bit of knowledge of just breathing, like between just breathing or just sipping. So that's a lesson in air control. And of course the Rio, which you do have to have good cleaning habits for, including ISO alcohol, Q-tips, and all of that jazz. So yeah.
So breath control and being mindful of the triggers of others around you when you're deciding how you want to consume it.
Because let's be real.
Alcohol, and swabs.
True.
Alcohol swabs.
Like being clean with your glasses, everything.
Keep your glasses clean so they don't get clogged.
Please, everybody. I know you could look at something from afar and it's like, okay, that looks clean or whatever, but like, you have to clear out the water in your glass. Always clear out the water in your devices, because bacteria grows in that. So imagine, even if you have something that's non-spill or something like that, you're dabbing concentrate and mold. I'm a fan of cheese too, but we don't mix that. Now for our next show, like that also goes into like concentrate in dispensaries that unfortunately have the issue of mold in their concentrate. But that's a whole different other topic, and that's about, as we said, retail wise, you have product to sit, right? So that also goes for flour. So when it comes to concentrate and stuff like that, or even wax pens and stuff like that, they use what's around. But that's another different topic though.
Definitely. And thank you so much, Hank, for your time.
Hell yeah, dude.
I appreciate you, brother.